Apple's shares are up this year, but they're actually down a little bit recently. So the stock fell yesterday. I think it continues to fall a little bit. And we've got an article here from our pals at The Motley Fool attempting to look into why Apple stock has fallen. If you look at even if you look at the 1 month, I think you'll see. Yeah, I mean, it's a small dip comparative to where it started. And certainly if you bring up the 1 year graph, it's they're surging still. It's just a tiny little cliff there. I mean, a lot of high-tech stocks are looking like this recently. We've referenced Amazon. We've referenced Tesla, obviously. But this little tiny dip is likely due to that news emerging of the delayed event. Mm-hmm. The delayed event is a big part of it. And also just the softness of the marketplace in 2020, particularly around flagship level devices and flagship level price tags. So Goldman Sachs has warned investors not to be too bullish on Apple's near-term prospects. They do not have a recommendation to be purchasing this stock at the moment, but it's kind of, Apple is one of those stocks, one of those companies, like some of the like Tesla, where there's a lot of people who own that and are fully committed to sticking with it for the long haul, mm-hmm. and they're not looking for a get rich quick. And so even though these things can swing a little bit, those individuals are more interested in the 5-year outlook than necessarily, maybe what's going to happen in 2020 or what's going to happen or not happen in September. Mm-hmm. Now, I saw you making a type of expression looking at this bear. I think it is a very nice image of a bear. And I'm curious about why you're curious of this particular bear. Do you think he looks strange or?
Well, this is part of the article, right?
That's right.
I'm guessing why?
Oh, see, Will, this is where you've exposed yourself. The moment has come where you've exposed the fact that you're not the business guy anymore.
Is there a bear reference?
Yeah. So in the stock market, when a stock is not so hot,
it becomes a bear.
It's a bear, and when a stock is to the moon, it's a bull. As far as the analysts are concerned, they just have these different animals to represent a stock. It's just for fun. It's why you go to Wall Street, they have that big bull sitting there.
Oh,
bull is good. It's like an old-fashioned kind of a thing, but it is strange.
Yeah.
I mean, there's probably more to the origin story as to why those animals became representative of. They represent not just a particular stock, but the entire market. You can have, if people are hype about the market, they'll say it's a bull market, lots of opportunity. They'll say, and bear will represent the opposite. Yeah, a bull market is a market on the rise and it's economically sound. A bear market is a market that's receding, where most stocks are declining in value. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cool. I guess it adds a little personality to the business world. A couple of animals. Animals are cool. It is a cool picture of a bear, though. Cool, yeah. Holy moly, you don't want to bump into that guy.
No.